Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. So today's video is going to be Amazon, what I bought on Amazon. So there is like a designer dupe in here and some really cool things. So I'm really excited to show you. Yeah, and what I'll do is I will put in the description box, like I always do, the links to these items that you can find on Amazon. So I'll go ahead and do that as well. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get started in this haul. And I hope you guys have had a really good Friday. And yeah, let me go ahead. This all of this came in today. So I just want to show you. And there's going to be a couple more things I'm going to be ordering in the next, like tonight, I think. So I'll be having more hauls to show you guys from Amazon as well. So here we go. So the first thing I'm going to start out with is this. So I did want to get these. I have been so intrigued by these, you guys. They're like, okay, they're massagers for your scalp. So you get a 4-pack. They came just like this. You get 4 different colors, and right now they're $9.97 on Amazon. But you know, the prices can fluctuate. Like 1 minute it could be like less, 1 minute it could be more. Just depends. So at the moment they're $9.97, I believe, for 4 of them. So I did screenshot the description of these because it explains it better than I can explain, like all about these little massagers for the scalp. But basically, it says gently massages your, these are under the like features and details. It massages your neck, body, or scalp with this soft shampoo brush to promote blood circulation, relieve fatigue, pressure, and muscle sore, strengthens the roots of your hair, and nourish the hair shafts. Ergonomic designs perfectly fits in your palm of your hand. It's easy to hold and very suitable. If you have long and manicured nails, you won't damage your manicure during washing hair anymore. So like, you know how sometimes when you have your nails, like long nails, it's kind of hard to get in there and really clean the scalp. At least for me, it's hard because, you know, it's like poking me. So the hair scalp massager with soft silicone brushes that remove dandruff and remove hardened, just hardened dirt, and then helps to stimulate the scalp, thus helping to promote natural hair growth. So anyways, I'm really excited to try it out. So like I said, I got several of these for some family members and us to try out, and yeah, I'm really excited. So like I said, here's the individual one. You can see it's like squishy. It is, I'll go ahead and take out the one I think I'm going to keep. The other ones are going to go for other family members, but I think I'm going to keep the purple one. So let me go ahead and take it out of the package. Oh yeah, it's like rubber. Feels like rubber, you guys. So there's the teeth on it, so you can see. Hope that helps. And then it's got like I said, an ergonomic handle, so you can just go in there and just like, let me just try it. Yeah, that's gonna be. I just want to try it out, you know, and see how I like it in my hair, how I feel like it cleans. You know what I mean? So. This, I don't think I will use this every day, but this is something just to like add to like my cleansing routine. I won't be using this every day, but something to have, to give me that extra feeling of cleanliness in my scalp, because I don't want to overdo it. You know what I mean? Either with this. So yeah, but anyway, you guys, like less than $10 for 4 of them is a really good deal to me. So again, there's that. So, all right. So moving on. There's that. Now, the next thing I got was this. It is a garbage can for your car. I know. I'm like, what? So it's a garbage can. Like, I'm so excited to have this, you guys, because it is so hard to like, you know, I'll go to like the fast food restaurants and then I'll get my straws and then I'll have like the paper from the straws. It's like, it's just, everything adds up in your car. I mean, I try to keep my car really clean, you guys. I really do. But, you know, I think this will really make it a lot easier because it's actually a trash can in my car. I'll know where to like designate the trash. So yeah, so this comes in several colors on Amazon, and right now I believe I paid $14.97, and again the prices can fluctuate. But this comes in pink, this color, and like I think 2 other colors, I think. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you. It says adjustable hanging strap, heavy duty spill proof cloth, large litter space, keeps your car like new. And so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up now. So I'm so excited. So this is how it comes, and it comes with directions on the back or inside. So just gonna show you. I have a piece of jewelry to show you guys too. I'm so excited about. It's like a designer dupe, so I'm really excited about. Okay, so I mean, this isn't the most glamorous looking thing ever, right, for your car, but it's functional, and that's what I like, and I think it looks nice. I have my interior is brown and black. That's why I chose black. But like I said, they have a bunch of cute little colors to choose from. So actually, this is really nice. So let me put my glasses on. It has a little like compartment right at the top where you put you see this little little hole there? You can put your cans in, you know, or whatever you have to throw away. So it's not like going all over the place. You know, like it's nice that it has like a lid, almost like a real garbage can does. And let me show you what else. It has some spots up here for like other storage, like little netted spots right here, okay? And then it looks like they gave me some trash bags, which is really, really nice. Because what you'll do is, you know, you'll line this up and then, you know, take out the garbage after it fills up. Yeah, and then it has little pockets on the side and on the side. So like maybe you want to put like wipes here, you know, like to clean off, you know, if it needs to be cleaned, or something here on the side. I mean, I'm sure I'll think of something to put there. And then again in the front. So basically, yeah, comes with everything. And this also has some type of, I don't know what this is. It's like two like sticks looking things. I don't know what that is. Let me see what that is. That might be, oh, it is, if I just read the directions. Oh, I think, let's see. I think that it's, oh, okay. I think you put it somewhere inside this to make it more structural. I think that's what it's for. I'm terrible at directions, you guys, but I think it will make it more like a box. You know what I mean? So I'm not quite sure where those go in. I'll figure it out. But anyway, so basically, you know, this goes over the top, and there you go. And you can hang it like on your back of your like your passenger, you know, wherever you want to hang this, on the passenger headrest, you know, so that it's easy to access. Like, let's say you're the driver and you need to put something behind, you know, anywhere this would work. So I'm excited to have it. I think it'll really be easier for me to keep my car clean because I have this. I'm just trying to figure out where these go. So I'll figure it out. But anyway, I'm excited. I'm excited to have it. So anyways, okay, there's that. So go ahead and put that in. Yeah, that's kind of cute, huh? Like it has that little top so you can, you know, so things aren't flying back out when you put them in or drop. Like, you know, say you turn the car, like you make a turn, your stuff isn't going to fly out, you know. So I do like that hole at the top. Okay. Now the next item, oh, there's the trash bags they gave me. So the next item is, I got a purse. I got a purse. So I will be ordering a lot of purses coming up, you guys, because I need more purses. Okay. I really need more purses. Excuse me, I wanted some of my coffee here. You guys, I literally had a purse the other day. I was shopping and it was so embarrassing. I had overfilled the purse. You know my strap ones that I always wear, like over my shoulder. I like those when I'm shopping because I feel like I don't want to leave my purse in a cart and then somebody, you know, could take off with my purse, like if I turn my head or something, because I have known that has happened to a friend of mine. So I prefer the ones that go over my shoulder. Well, I'm like, I can't like carry everything I carry everything in my purse but my kitchen sink, basically. Really, I do. I carry everything but my kitchen sink in my purses. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try this one out. I'm so excited. It's a bigger one, and when I'm shopping, I'm just gonna keep it on my shoulder. I'm not gonna put it in the cart. And I think this actually has a long strap, so I can actually maybe crossbody wear it. I'm not sure, But this is so inexpensive, you guys. This was under $12 right now. And it comes in like brown, like orange, red, I believe, all these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I chose the pink, and I think there's another shade of pink as well. This has so many reviews that are so many great reviews on these purses. So like I said, I'm really excited. So there's the packaging. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and take a look inside, but I want to show you how it came delivered, just like this. I'm so excited to have this. I really am. I think it's gonna make my life easier. But yeah, so I don't know if I finished my story, but my strap broke off like on my purse. Like, it was so embarrassing, you guys. It was so embarrassing. So that's when you know you carry too much in your purse, when your strap breaks. So yeah, my purse is like, I'm done. If my purse could talk, it'd be like, I'm done, Sarah. We're good. Like, you have put too much in me. I cannot carry you anymore, carry your stuff around anymore. So, oh my gosh, how cute is this? It comes with like a scarf or something. Do you see this? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. What a cute, cute little accessory. Oh, how cute are you? Okay, so let me figure this out. So it has this little thing, this little tassel right here, okay, that you put down right there. And then it has, oh, how cute. Oh, this is a nice, let me see, does it sit up, there goes my ring. Does it sit up straight? Let's see. That's the question I have. Yep, it sits up. Okay, good. Okay, so I was worried about that. So, anyways, this is really, really cute. And some people are saying that this is kind of like a designer bag called the Never Full bag by one of the well-known designers. It's kind of like inspired by that. So that's why I like it as well, because it's kind of like the same size, I've heard. I could be wrong, but yeah, so I wanted to get this. And look at how cute the texture is on there. I love this blush pink. This is so pretty with like the gold details right there. Okay, this is gonna hold everything I need. I'm so excited. So I do need to just clip it to okay, so it's like a little magnet almost, like a magnet closure. And so there it is on my shoulder. Let's see. Oh, so it does not have a over the body strap, but here's what it looks like on. And it's comfortable, because you guys, you know what? I actually have really small shoulders. So I have a hard time with a lot of straps, like sliding off, like just sliding off. So this actually feels really good. Let me just really play with it. I have to, you know, sometimes they kind of mold as you wear them too. They like feel better, like they start to shape to your shoulder. So I don't know. I think it's cute, and I could wear it like this, you know, like this on my arm like that. But I think it's really, really cute. So let me try this little guy. See how you put this on. I think you just tie it on there. I had no idea this was going to come with it. That's so cute for summer. Okay, so I'm just going to tie it on probably over here, because the tassel's over on that side. That is so cute. Okay, that is too cute for words. Look at that. That's so cute, right? Look at that. That's a great color combination, the little contrast. I love that. That's so cute. Okay, guys, so I may have to get this in other colors now for $12, less than $12. Some of them I think are a little bit more, just depending on the color that you choose. But really, really cute. You know, really cute. So yeah, I'm loving it. So I just have to play with it some more, because it's trying to, I think, like slide off my shoulder a little bit. But like I said, every purse I buy, it's like that. That's why I like to, I'm going to play with this and see if they kind of like, you know how it's kind of like starts to get softer, and then it'll probably sit on my shoulder a little bit better. But so far, I really like it. Cute, huh? So, yeah, that was a good buy. I mean, less than $12 for a beautiful purse. Okay, the last item, I saved the best for last. I'm so excited. So this is a designer dupe. So it looks like a well-known designer bracelet, and I'm gonna get more of these, you guys. This is gorgeous and gorgeous. I had no idea how beautiful this was until I got it today. So it's a woven friendship bracelet, And it comes, they have some that come in different sayings on it, but let me show you this one. First, it comes in this gorgeous, gorgeous box. Then look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It says dream. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, wait till you guys see the back of it. I love this thing, and this thing was $7.98. That's it, $7.98. And they have one that says love, one that says fighter, one that says hope. I'm pulling this off the top of my head. I believe these are all the right ones that they said. Hope, love, fighter. There's a couple other ones, I believe. They're so beautifully made. And okay, and they're adjustable. So like, you know, I can adjust it to my arm. And oh my gosh, this is like one of my favorite things. Okay, and here's the back. And this looks so gorgeous on. I did try it on, you guys. I had to. It's just, but I wanted to show you how it came packaged. Do you know what I mean? This is exactly how it came. And so it's a friendship bracelet. Anyway, it's so cute. So cute. So the next one I'm going to get, it's off-white and it says hope on it. I think it says hope. It's so pretty. I want them all. I want to get them all, actually. Okay, so what you do is you just put it on. I love it. I love that navy blue contrast with the like cream writing. And I love what it says, dream. So, okay, so I'm going to put it on. And then you just pull up the, little, little tassels. And look, you guys. Isn't that so cute? I gotta put my ring on. I feel naked without my ring. Okay, guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. Isn't that so adorable? And then look at the back of it. Like, isn't that so cute? So like, you know, you're talking with your friends or whatever, and look at, this is like totally a statement piece. Isn't that so pretty? I'm in love with this. I really am in love with this. And it says you can get it wet, like in their descriptions, like, you know, take a shower with it or whatever. So it's like a woven friendship bracelet, but it is so, so beautiful. Again, it's like basically a designer dupe of one that's like worth a lot more money, or it goes for a lot more money. So anyways, I am so, so excited to have this. So yeah, I'm going to order the Hope one. It's like off-white. I think, again, it says Hope on it because I can wear them together and even stack them. So I might be getting a couple of them. You know what I mean? Like stack them. But oh my gosh, I just hope you guys can see the writing on it. I hope the camera's picking it up. Isn't that so cute? Like I'm drinking my coffee. Look at how cute the tassels look. Like, see how cute it looks? Like when I'm just like moving my arm around, it's like so adorable, huh? I just love that. Like, see that? It's so cute. I love details like that, you guys. And then, like, you know, the saying on it, dream. I mean, it's just so classy. It's so, so classy. So this will be I'll be getting more of these. I have to. I have to have more of these for sure, for sure. So anyways, guys, that is it for my Amazon haul for today. I'm so excited with everything I picked out. And I hope you guys like what I picked out as well. And I'll go ahead and put all the links in my description box to each of these items. And let me know. I would love to hear what your favorite thing is I picked up this time on Amazon. And yeah, so again, thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And my returning family, thank you guys once again so, so much for being here. And so with that being said, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your Friday. And I'll see you back here tomorrow with my next haul. All right, friends. So till next time, everybody, take care. God bless you all. And I'll see you soon. Bye.